Do these foods make you snore? These common foods might be behind your nighttime snoring. Chocolate can keep you up and snoring, thanks to caffeine and sugar. Cheesecake's creamy richness? Not great before bed. BBQ at night? It can trigger acid reflux and blocked airways. Even ice cream can cause throat congestion and snoring. Greasy meals before sleep can increase throat pressure. A sugary milkshake might taste good, but your airways won't agree. Loaded tacos can lead to reflux and nasal swelling. Eat lighter at night to breathe better while sleeping. Want to snore less? Avoid these before bed. Avoid these foods before bed for quieter nights. Follow for more snoring and sleep health tips.